class, hey, we have a new sight word this week. The word is can. C-A-N, can. And this is great because you can talk about all of the things that you are doing, that you can do with your friends. What can you do with your friends? I can play outside. I can build a tower. I can go to the park with my friends. So can is a great word, and it's just how it sounds. Can. C-A-N, can. We're going to quickly review our other sight words. I. The. T-H-E, the. Like, with that tricky E on the end. L-I-K-E, like. And remember, the I says its name because that tricky E is at the end. That makes it say its name, I. And then finally, and it's just how it sounds. A-N-D, and. And this week, to practice your sight words, you are actually going to play a game of tic-tac-toe with your family. So you are going to write these sight words in the different boxes, and then when it's your turn to put an X or an O, you're going to read the word and then put an X or an O there. So I might write and right here. So I'm going to say and then I put an X and I cover it up. Okay? Good luck playing tic-tac-toe and have fun practicing your sight.